Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Lexus TX and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that each lens may have. So to start the installation, we're going to start by installing the piece that covers this section of the lens. So just apply slip solution to the lens and solution to the adhesive side of the film, and place the film to the reflector in the middle here. So this one, what you want to do is make sure you align it right on the curve here, and it should be exact to this here. And just make sure you give yourself a little bit of material to cover the top area too. So keep that in mind as well when you're adjusting it on this end. There's coverage there. It should be good, just a little bit here. Make sure the top is being covered, and this should be good. Now just follow through with the rest of the film until you reach it here. Something to keep in mind when you're doing the installation for this one is wherever you start, so let's say we started here, secure it, tack it down, work your way little by little. But on the other end, you're just going to do a slight stretch to reach it to the other edge. So to start tacking this section down, just lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. And on top, grab your squeegee and secure the middle section first. So make sure this section's secured, and then start tacking down the top area. Make sure you just have enough material to cover the top. If you need to bring some material down, you can. So just bring it down carefully till you reach to this end. Just make sure you keep everything aligned. If you need to lift it to readjust it, you can. Just lift it carefully. Bring it down to the level of the reflector here and tack everything down. Another thing you can do to seal the top edge, that way it doesn't lift over time, is apply tack solution all over the top section and apply heat. And as you're applying heat, just help it tack down little by little. And you would just do the same process throughout the entire panel on the top area, that way it stays tacked down. Once the top is sealed, work your way down to see everything else, and then you should be good. So when it comes to doing the installation for 1, 2, and 3, it's very simple. It's just aligning, tag it down, align it, tag it down, and align it, tag it down. So you don't need to stretch anything like how we did it with this top piece. So to install it fast, just apply tack solution to the lens that you're working on and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just make sure you align it to the lens that you're working on. So make sure it's covering everything. So align it to the edge of the lens, cover it there, and just make sure everything stays aligned. And then just tack it down with your squeegee, remove all of the solution that's underneath the film, and just do the same steps that we did for this one to these two as well, since it's the same process. It's just aligning, tack it down, align it, tack it down. So now we're moving on to this piece. This one, You could do it the dry method. Just make sure when you align it, place it on the edge and just work your way until you reach to the top. And just make sure to help it tack down on the edge here. Bring the film down. And just to seal the entire film, that way it doesn't lift over time, apply heat, tack everything down, we should be good. Just make sure before you continue on with the other installations for these to seal the edges, that way it doesn't lift. So when it comes to doing the installation for this piece, just apply tack solution to the lens and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned on the edge here. So it should just fall into place here, align here, and covering here. So just place the film down, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and tack it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, and secure the bottom piece as well. Okay, and now for this section here, we are going to need to apply a little bit of slip solution in order to stretch the film to reach to this edge. So apply slip solution, place it back down. You could also apply slip solution to the adhesive side of the film to be easier to stretch. Make sure this area is dry and just stretch the film till it reaches the edge. Hold it in position, make sure everything stays aligned, and apply tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Just squeegee at an angle around this area, that way you don't crease the film. And to help bring the film down here, just apply a little bit of heat with tack solution and you should be good around this edge here. Don't forget to seal this bottom as well, so do the same process. So for this last piece, apply tack solution on top and tack solution on the adhesive side of the film. Align it to the edge right here where we left off. And everything else should just fall into place right here. Apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down. And once we remove all the solution that's underneath the film, we're going to seal everything around the edges. That way it doesn't lift over time by applying tack solution and heat. And then once we're done, you would repeat the same process for the other lens. And then once the whole installation is done, you would post-heat the entire tail light. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post-heat the entire tail light. So just apply tack solution to the entire lens. And we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. That way we help the adhesive on each film tack down and activate faster. And we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges and also helping tack down the film in case it is still lifting. So take your time doing this step, apply heat evenly, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2024 Lexus TX. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.